12 o'clock p.m. on the 3rd, 4th of June. You see the water's rolling in. It's actually a little waterfall going from the kitchen into the front room. Very nice. The yard is completely covered. That rug is floating probably 3 or 4 inches off of the surface of the patio. Seawall is completely overflowed. Dog wet. Cat on top of the printer. Got her out of the yard. Him. I turned the power off because it's already up to the appliances. It's going into the new washer and dryer, which sucks. Everything's floating around the garage. Got as much stuff up as we could, but it's going to be a mess. Flooded throughout.